Electric cars have been around for over 2 centuries but have only become widely available in the past 15 years due to advances in battery technology. They are considered more environmentally friendly than petrol and diesel-powered cars. In 2022, over 10 million electric vehicles were sold worldwide. That means that there are around 18 million EVs on roads around the world. The manufacturing process for electric cars is similar to that of traditional cars, but with key differences revolving around the engine and battery. The gearbox is assembled first, followed by the drivetrain, which includes the rotor and stator. The chassis is pre-assembled, and the drivetrain is attached. The battery, or powertrain, is then installed. It consists of nearly 7,000 lithium-ion cells. Wiring is attached, and a power electronics module is installed. A vacuum system is used to maintain battery temperature. Finally, the car is assembled, tested, and delivered. Companies like Tesla are spending billions creating electric vehicles that are cost-effective to buy and run, but also have the range similar to petrol and diesel cars. Thank you for watching. Comment your thoughts down below in the comments.